Hey everybody, it's Michelle for ukmobilereview.com, and after we compared the screens of those three devices, as you can see, I am now trying to compare the speakers. I've got the same song on all devices, and it's my favorite song at the moment. I hope I don't get into any trouble for playing it, and well, let's start up with the oldest of the three devices, the Xperia Z, and let's hit play. Turn it all up. The speakers on the side. So this was the first one. Now the Z1. You hear a little different, it's louder and deeper. So a little more with deep sounds, and yet last but not least the G2. So after this short demonstration, my opinion is the LG has the best sound. The Xperia Z is a little too flat for my taste. The Sony Z1, Xperia Z1 is too deep, too much deep sounds, and the LG is pretty amazing. It's because I don't know why, but it's just sounded the best to me. I don't know how good you can hear it after this lands on YouTube, but I hope you enjoyed this little video, and I will see you in the next video. And for those asking what song this was, it was the song All I Want by A Day to Remember. And with that, thanks for watching and see you soon.